Hello everyone, it's Chef Stas from aSKchef channel. Winter is a time when you want to boost up your body with more vitamins. So why don't you upgrade your recipe and make, let's say, classic pancakes, but in a healthier way by adding their fresh baby carrots. So I'll show you today the beautiful recipe how you can do it. So let's start cooking. For carrot pancakes, first wash, peel and finely grate the carrots. In a saucepan, melt the butter. Add the carrots and cook, stirring over medium heat for 5 minutes until the carrots become soft. Let's put it aside. In a large bowl, combine wheat flour, sugar, add cinnamon, nutmeg and ginger, baking powder, baking soda and salt. Stir. Chop the walnuts into small crumbs. And add to dry ingredients, stir again. Break 3 eggs into a separate bowl, beat until smooth with a whisk, add milk, add buttermilk, mix again. Then combine the dry and liquid ingredients together. Add the cooled carrots. Stir. Preheat the pan to medium heat with a bit of butter. Pour the dough for one pancake. Bake until bubbles appear on the surface. When the bottom sets, turn it over with a spatula. Or this way, but be careful. When the pancake is set on both sides, remove it on a plate. Serve with whipped cream or yogurt or sour cream. Pour over honey, jam or maple syrup. Enjoy your meal! If you enjoyed the recipe, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye bye!